the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way. These two galaxies are among the most well-known objects in the night sky, and have been the subject of fascination and study for centuries. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is the closest galaxy to our own Milky Way. It is located about 2.5 million light-years away from us, and is about twice as large as the Milky Way. It is estimated to contain about 1 trillion stars, compared to the Milky Way's 100 billion. This staggering amount of stars is due in part to the galaxy's larger size, as well as its higher rate of star formation. Andromeda's double nucleus is another unique feature that sets it apart from the Milky Way. This phenomenon is caused by the presence of two supermassive black holes at the center of the galaxy, which are surrounded by a ring of stars. Despite its large size and distance, the Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at a rate of about 110 kilometers per second. Scientists believe that the two galaxies will collide in about 4 billion years, creating a new galaxy that has been dubbed Milkomeda. This would happen in stages, spanning over billions of years until a new stable galaxy is formed. This is a cataclysmic event that will have a profound impact on both galaxies, and will likely result in the formation of a new, merged galaxy. The collision will be an incredible sight to behold, with stars and planets being flung out of their orbits and crashing into one another. One of the most interesting differences between the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way is their rates of star formation. The Andromeda Galaxy has a much higher rate of star formation than the Milky Way, with new stars being created at a rate of about 200 per year compared to the Milky Way's rate of about 1 to 2 per year. This higher rate of star formation has resulted in a younger overall population of stars in the Andromeda Galaxy, with its stars being on average about 1 billion years younger than the stars in the Milky Way. Another interesting difference is the black holes at the center of each galaxy. The black hole at the center of the Andromeda Galaxy is about 140 million times more massive than our Sun, while the Milky Way's black hole is about 4 million times more massive. The Andromeda Galaxy has more black holes than we could count, with astronomers finding even newly formed black holes within its vast expanse. This is due in part to the galaxy's high rate of star formation, which results in the formation of more black holes. Andromeda's globular clusters are another fascinating aspect of this galaxy. With its large globular clusters, the Andromeda Galaxy is filled with dense groups of stars that are among the oldest objects in the universe. These clusters provide valuable insight into the formation and evolution of galaxies, and studying them has allowed us to gain a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Andromeda also has more globular clusters than the Milky Way. Andromeda has about 500 globular clusters compared to the Milky Way's 150. The stars in Andromeda also tend to be bluer in color than those in the Milky Way, giving the galaxy a distinct appearance. The collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will create a new galaxy, which will be an awe-inspiring event that we will unfortunately not be alive to see. However, it is important to note that while the collision is an amazing spectacle, it is not expected to pose a direct threat to Earth or our solar system. Despite its enormous size, the Andromeda Galaxy is not the most massive galaxy in the local cluster. That title goes to the giant elliptical galaxy M87, which is located about 53 million light-years away from us. However, Andromeda's diameter of around 260,000 light-years makes it one of the largest spiral galaxies in the observable universe. It is believed that the Andromeda Galaxy was born about 5 to 9 billion years ago due to the merger of two smaller galaxies. This violent event resulted in the creation of a new, larger galaxy that would eventually become the Andromeda Galaxy we know today. As we continue to study the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way, we will undoubtedly discover even more fascinating facts about these two celestial objects. The sheer scale and complexity of these galaxies is truly mind-boggling, and the more we learn about them, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.